ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदिया काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 90 in टिप्पणी after second number टिप्पणी, third line from the bottom. अविद्याया न चोच्छित्तौ ज्ञानादन्यदपेक्षते ज्ञानोत्पत्तौ न चैवान्यत् क्षमादिभ्यो ह्यपेक्ष्यते क्षमाद्युत्पत्तये नान्यत् बुद्धिशुद्धेरपेक्षते बुद्धिशुद्धौ च नित्यादि कर्मभ्यो नान्यदिश्यते. So Vartikar here is giving a sequence. He is very good at this also. So see, earlier two shlokas were different. They had a slightly different objective. What was the objective? Person who does not have vairagya, person who has kamana, that person is not adhikari of moksha. In this way he said. He gave quotations from Kathopanishad, Mundakopanishad, Brahadaranyaka Upanishad. Now he says sadhana part. For avidya nivritti, what is required? Jnanat anyat na apekshate. Means for avidya nivritti, only jnanam is needed. Other than jnanam, you don't need anything. You don't need to do any other thing for avidya nivritti. Means if I have understood avidya is my problem, what is my problem? Avidya, not something, someone, this, that. If this I have understood, other than jnanam, I don't need anything. If I have understood, no, avidya is problem, but something else is also a problem, you do karma also. This is very clear. And this is how I think karma comes to us. When, if we have understood ajnanam is my problem, only jnanam will come. Avidyayaha na cha uchchitau jnanad anyad apekshate. Okay, so I need jnanam. Jnanam utpatti is through what? Jnanotpattau na cha eva anyat kshamadibhyo hyapekshate. You need shama, dhamma, ityadi. Means actually for jnana utpatti, what you need? Shravanam. For jnana utpatti, really you need shravanam. But for shravanam, that is the mukhya sadhana for jnana utpatti. Sahakari will be shamadama. In shamadama, there is shruti. That is given on the next page in Tika. Shamadi utpattaye na anyat buddhi shuddhehe apekshate. Shamadi utpatti, for that, you need buddhi shuddhi. Buddhi shuddhi I will get through nitya karma. Buddhi shuddhaucha nityadi karmabhyo nanya dishyate. So, tametam vedanuvachanena brahmanaha vividishanti yajna, that yajna dana tapa and vedanuvachanam, they all are nitya karma. They are not kamya karma. Means every day you have to do some Veda part. Veda part will give you chitta shuddhi. I was thinking about this one day. What can give chitta shuddhi? Paurusheya Shastra will give Chitta Shuddhi or Apaurusheya Shastra will give Chitta Shuddhi? If this is the question. Anything that is Apaurusheya, because it is not Purusha Buddhi Janya, Purusha Buddhi Karyam, it will give you Chitta Shuddhi. Apaurushayatvat. You cannot show Vyabhichara in this. That's something which is Apaurushaya, but its Anushtanam will not give you Chitta Shuddhi. Okay. If it is Paurushaya, can it give Chitta Shuddhi or not? Is it true
Yes.
always?
Like
Yes, but not always.
Bhagavad Gita.
So where is the Vyabhichara?
Like study in Bhagavatam or some Smriti, also we can get Chitta Shuddhi.
No, you have to. You don't have to give me explanation. You have to give in the language of Yukti. Yeah, you have to do Anumanam. Laukika Shastra. How will you define it is Laukika or Alaukika? So Paurushaya will give Chitta Shuddhi, but question is all Paurushaya will give Chitta Shuddhi or not? No. All Paurushaya. So then how will you define Laukika Shastra? What is the criteria?
Other than Smriti, Purana, Itihasa, all are Laukika.
Means whose Vishaya is Ishvara. Ishvara also or Jiva Brahma Aikya. Such Shruti. So if it is Jiva Brahma Aikya, it will be considered Vedanta. Even if it is Prakarana Grantha. So you have to see if it is Paurushaya, what is the Vishaya? If the Vishaya is Bhautika Shastra, Rasayana Shastra ityadi, it will not give you Chitta Shuddhi. This is how I was thinking. But if the Vishaya is Paramatma, even if it is Tatpada, like Vishnu Sahasranama or Shiv Mahimna Stotra Path, it should give you Chitta Shuddhi. So Paurushaya Shastra also, if its Vishaya is Ishvara, it will give Chitta Shuddhi. In that Vishaya Ishvara, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Purana, everything will come. That prasanga where Ishvara Pratipadanam is done, that will give you Chitta Shuddhi. If you say the entire Vishaya of Bhagavatam is Bhagavan Sri Krishna, entire Bhagavatam can give you Chitta Shuddhi in this. So, Apaurushaya, no matter what, it should give Chitta Shuddhi. Paurushaya, and that is what they say, Nityadi Karma. Nitya Karma, if you do, Agnihotra also will give you Chitta Shuddhi. Paurushaya depends upon what is the Vishaya. If you can find some Vyabhichara in this thinking, you are welcome, we'll discuss. Sakama also will give Chitta Shuddhi. This is how it is said. Because Sakama Karma, when you do, you will get Bhoga. That Bhoga will come with Dukkha. That Dukkha will give you Viveka. That this is not what I wanted. So like that, in Sakama Karma, it is indirectly.
Swamiji, while doing Parayana, if my mind is there only, I'm understanding the meaning, will get Chitta Shuddhi. If I just chanting it.
No, Vedic chanting, even if you don't understand, will give you Chitta Shuddhi. Vedas are very different. They will give you Chitta Shuddhi no matter what if you have done Yajñopavita Samskara. So this is Buddhi Shuddhau cha Nityadi Karmabhyo. In karma, yes. But Laukika karma, that is what is called Karma Yoga. So we were just talking about the Shruti. Shruti, Paurusha Shruti or Apaurusha Shastra, both in that. Karma also. Atma Agnya. So one thing we have to remember. If a person has desire for the world, that person will not get moksha. If I want, did you all hear it clearly? If I have desire for the world to some extent, Krishna, I will not get moksha. Because what I am seeking for is that world. I am really not seeking for moksha. And you cannot say, I want both.
Swamiji,
This is explained in Naishkarmya Siddhi in 2nd chapter. That if a person has desire for the world, he will not get moksha. That's why Vairagya is required. Further you say, Atma Jnanaika Hetutvad Vangmana Kaya Karmanam. Atma Ajnana Eka Hetutvad. Vang, Mana, Kaya, Karma, they all are only because of Ajnanam. Which Ajnanam? Atma Ajnanam. Atma Jnanena Tad Badhat. Karma Peksha Kuto Bhavet. Atma Jnanena Tad Badhat. Tad Padena Ajnana Badhat. Yad Ajnanat Pravrittirya Tad Jnanat Sa Kuto Bhavet. Yad Ajnanat Ya Pravrittihi. That pravritti which is arising because of Ajnanam, when that Jnanam has taken place, Ajnanam will go. When Ajnanam will go, pravritti also will go. Pratyak jnanod bhave tasmat samaptihi sarva karmanam iti. And therefore, when pratyak jnana takes place, then sarva karmanam samaptihi. See Tika now from the 3rd one, is after 2nd. Actually, everything is clear. Only thing you have to remember here when Acharya has said Jnana Utpatti Karanatvam is in Shamadama. Shamadinam Jnanotpatti Karanatvam. Shravanam is the Mukhya Karana. Shamadama are later. In other words, you have to keep doing Vedanta Shravanam. In particular, those who are new to Shravanam, you don't think here, there at all. Just go on doing Shravanam. Further, you see, after fourth one. Paramparaya karmana mokshopayogaschet kimiti sakshadeva neshyate. Paramparaya, if you say karma is useful for moksha, yajna dana tapa ityadi, parampara you have accepted. Then why don't you say sakshat also it is useful? Tatraha, no. Why? Atma iti trividasyapi karmano ajnana janyatvat. Trividasya karmana. What are the trivida karma? Vang, mana, kaya. Ajnana janyat. So, if I ask a question, answer should come immediately. You should not think, whom are you asking the question? You don't wait for that. question is asked, you know the answer, answer should come. If the answer is not coming, that means you don't know the answer. That is very clear. Vang mana kaya is the answer. त्रिविधस्यापि कर्मणो अज्ञानजन्यत्वात् ज्ञानाद् अज्ञान निवृत्तौ तदुत्थस्य कर्मणोपि निवृत्तेः. Through jnanam, ajnana nivritti will take place. Through that, karma nivritti also will take place. Therefore, jnanino mokshe tadapeksha na yukta. What is tad pada? Karma apeksha na yukta. Further, jnanino dhvasta ajnanasyapi karma darshanat mokshe tadapeksha. Somebody says, for jnani, even though ajnanam is gone, he sees doing some, we see he is doing some karma darshanat. So after moksha also there is some apeksha. Iti ashankya. Tasya this is important. Tasya badhita anuvrittya tadrishtihi. It is badhita anuvritti. Anuvritti means after jnanam, whatever he is doing, it is badhita anuvrittya. It is already negated. Aham karta is negated. Therefore, anuvritti, after jnanam, that aham brahmasmi, aham akarta, that vritti is following. So once the badha has taken place at the time of brahmakar vritti, thereafter that badha continues. Badhitanuvrittya. Tadrishtihi. So as far as jnani is concerned, like in Panchadashi, etc., it is given. Somebody says, why you are not doing Agnihotradi karma? We see you going for Bhikshatana. Here also it will come. If you think I am going for Bhiksha, that is your Bhranti. I am not going. I am Brahma. So somebody says, oh, this is good. When whatever you want to do, you do. Whatever you don't want to do, you say this is Bhranti. No, he doesn't do anything. It's not that he does something and he doesn't do anything, and where he doesn't want to do anything, there he doesn't say. What he ends up doing there, if you see, it is Bhranti. It's not like that. Whatever he was doing as part of puja, etc., or some seva projects, if he was doing, he will do it. And even if he stops, like in Bhagavad Gita Bhashya, it is said, that is also possible. The moment he gets knowledge, halfway that karma, he can drop it. He said, forget it. Whatever I was doing, now I don't need to do. Means extroverted work. Even if Shastriya work he is doing, and that also if he wants to drop, it is okay. This comes in 4th chapter, those shlokas which are there. After karmanya karmaya pashyed karmanicha karmaya. Sabuddhiman manusheshu sayukta krissa karma krita. Naiva tasya kritena na krite neha kaschana. Achasya sarva bhuteshu kaschidartha vyapashya. In those shlokas it is given. Tad ajnanat iti urdvam iti shesha. Yogarudasya tasyaiva iti vachanat karma upashamaha. See, shamaha karanam uchyate is given. Shama means karma upashama. Jnana paripake hetu, na karma. Karma is not hetu. For jnana paripaka means for the ripening of knowledge, means to become brahmanishtha, so that viparit bhavana doesn't come. What should I do? Karma upashama. No extroverted activities and running around. Karmopashamo jnana paripake hetuhu na karma iti matva phalitamaha pratyak iti jnanadurdvam karma asambhavaha. Tat shabdartha. So I think everything is spashtam. Purvapakshi was saying he should do nitya karma. Even if kamya karma he doesn't do. Siddhanti said kamya karma is also out of avidya only. Therefore that avidya nashe karma pravritti nasha will happen. Some more important discussions are there on this topic, because on this there are questions in our sadhaka's mind, that why I should do karma or why I should not do karma, or what is the role of karma, I am doing some karma, etc. All of that is discussed here now. So you on page number 91, right? 90, everything is covered. योगारूढ़स्य तस्यैव श्रम कारणम उच्यते इति स्मृतेः ज्ञान परिपाके कारणम कर्मोपशम एव प्रतीयते न तथा कर्म विधि इत्यर्थः. This Smriti Bhagavad Gita shloka says, when jnana paripaka takes place, then for that the karanam is karma upashama eva pratiyate. Na tatha karma vidhi. Karma injunctions are not for karma, for yoga ruda sadhaka. न केवलम विहितम न उपलभ्यते न संभवति च इत्या. Not only that vihita karma is not there in Shastra for that sadhaka, is not possible. Injunctions are not possible for jnani. In Ashya, कर्म निमित्त देवतादि सर्व साधन विज्ञान उपमर्देन ही आत्मज्ञानम विधीयते. आत्मज्ञानम विधानम takes place when कर्म निमित्त सर्व साधन विज्ञान उपमर्दनम takes place. Karma nimitta devata. So the question is, if a Brahmajnani does karma, he will need karta bhava, he will need devata. For the sake of devata, he is doing sampradhanam. All the other karakas are there. What Atmajnanam has done? Upamardhanam of all these. Atmajnanam has removed all of them. How can there be any injunction? सकृत प्रवृत्त्या मृदनाति क्रियाकारक रूपभृत नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि. फर्स्ट चैप्टर. सकृत प्रवृत्ति, in one shot jnanam has eliminated everything. So this is now, actually this is naishkarmyam, no karma, and jnanam brahma nishtha is there. This is siddhi, naishkarmyasya siddhi. See in टीका, यदा नासित्वम संसारी किंतु अकर्तृ भोक्तृ ब्रह्मासि इति श्रुत्या ज्ञाप्यते तदा. यदा ज्ञाप्यते, when he understands, what he hears this from Guru, न असित्वम संसारी, न त्वम हेतु फलात्मकः, you are not हेतु फलात्मकः. संसारी means हेतु फलात्मकः. This happened, therefore this is happening. That happened, therefore this is. This is hetu phala. All the time some karta bhava is there, bhokta bhava is there. So all connection. Natvam hetu phalatmaka, natvam samsari. Kintu akartri abhoktri brahma. You are akarta abhokta brahma. Asi iti shrutya. Shrutya means by the shravanat. Yada jnapyate tada devatayaha sampradhanatvam करणत्वं व्रीह्यादेहे इति एतत् सर्वं उपमृदितं भवति. Upamardanam takes place of all this. They all are annihilated. Devata is, for the sake of Devata, Devata is gone. Vrihyadi Karana, they are all gone. Sarvam upamruditam bhavati. Tat katham akartratma jnanavatah sambhavati karma vidhi rityarthah. Akartratma jnanavatah, the one who has akarta, atma, akartri, atma, the one who has this jnanam, jnanam yasya. that person is akartra atma jnanavan. Tasya karma vidhi katham sambhavati na sambhavati ityartha. He will not have any karma vidhi. Further, उपमृदितम अपि वासनावशाद उद्भविष्यति ततस्य विदुषोपि कर्म विधि स्यात्. Let's say it is destroyed, but vasanavasad udbhavishyati. Some vasana is there, again something he will start doing. Tatasya vidushopi karma vidhi syad. Then for jnani also karma vidhi should be there. Iti ashankyaha na cha upamardita kriya karakadi vijnanasya karma pravritti upapadyate. The one for whom jagat has become mithya. Upamardita kriya karakadi means in kriya I see Brahma, in karaka I see Brahma, that karta I see Brahma. Brahmarpanam, Brahma havihi, Brahmagnau, Brahmanahutam, Brahmaivatena gantavyam, kena Brahma karma samadhina. The one who sees everything Brahma, then this is that Charama Brahmakar Vritti, where everything has ended. After that, there is no karma pravritti. That person can say everything is badita. Tika. Vasana vashad udbhutasya atma bhasatvad atma smritya punah punar badhacha vidusho na karma pravritti. Rityartha. Vidushaha jnanina. Actually, he is not doing any karma. But vasana vashad, I see that he does something. Vasana vashad udbhutasya atma abhasatvat. Abhasat. Abhasatvat. Udbhutasya abhasatvat atma smritya. So that abhasa udbhuta vasana, whatever he is explaining, it is only abhasa. Means he is not really doing anything. Ajnanis will think he is doing so many things. Because for Ajnani, Atma Smriti is not there. Jnani, what he should do through Atma Smriti, he should remember, Naiva Kinchit Karomiti. I am not doing this. Atma Smritya, Puna Puna Badhacha, and repeatedly he will do Badha of this. 14, 15, 16 number tippani. Udbhutat tasmat abhasatvat brahmarupatvat brahmasya cha apravartakatvat. Here the bhranti, when it is known, then it will not engage you in pravritti. Nanu, somebody said abhasadapi shukti rajatadaviva pravritti syat. In Abhasa Jnanam also, this is 16 number tippani. Shukti Rajatadav, how there is pravritti, person can run for that Rajat which is not there. Like that in Abhas also, somebody will have this Pranti, there is Sukham there, or something, Dukkham there, he runs away, etc. No, Atma Smritya, Punah Punah Badhat. Through Atma Smriti, he can do Badha. See, these things in different ways, in different grantha, by different Jnani Mahatma, it is explained. Like how in Yoga Vasishtha, Ramchandraji said, Vasishthaji knew Jagat is Mithya. Still he started running away when that elephant came towards him. That mad elephant was left towards Vashishta ji by Ramchandra ji, this said, to test him. And he ran away. So then somebody said, Ramchandra ji said next day, you said Jagat is mithya, then why did you run? My running is also mithya. So the person knows when he is doing whatever he is doing, in that Atma Jnanam is there or not. With the Atma Jnanam, with Jagat Mithyatva Buddhi, he is doing. Others will never know what he is doing, why he is doing. And if others, they have Shraddha, there is no problem. If they don't have Shraddha, there is no problem. Whatever is there, it will remain as is. That's all. He doesn't have to worry. Jnani's Jnanam will not become weaker because 5 people have lost Shraddha in that Jnani. Jnani doesn't care. For him, there is nothing. Everything is Badhita. In Bhashya, विशिष्ट क्रिया साधनादि ज्ञान पूर्वकत्वात् क्रिया प्रवृत्ति है. Any kriya pravritti requires vishishta sadhana and their jnana. So karta, karana, adhikarana, sampradana, pada, all these jnanams are there, then only he can do kriya. Tika. Kincha. Anavacchinnam brahmasmi iti smaratas tadatmakasya deshadi sapeksham karma niravakasham ityaha. Anavachinna Brahma I am means, why this Visheshana he had to give? He could have just said Brahmasmi iti smarataha. Why he put Anavachinnam Brahmasmi? Because he had that I am Avachinna, that Bhranti. Or Saguna Brahma, either way.
Saguna Brahma, to differentiate Nirguna and Saguna Brahma.
If a person constantly feels, I am an individual, Vyashti, in that sometimes what happens, Laukikas in particular, I am Parichinna, so and so. Now I am Brahma, Parichinna. Instead of so and so, he is replaced by Brahma. But I am Parichinna, that because he doesn't know what is the meaning of the word Brahma. So that person thinks, I am also doing Aham Brahmasmi thinking. This person is also doing Aham Brahmasmi. That person is also doing Aham Brahmasmi. Then who will be real Brahma of these three? So you are Mahamurkha. That question means the person has not understood that Brahma Jnana means waking up from the dream. After that, those other people in the dream, what about them? That question doesn't remain. Everything is gone. So I am also doing Brahma. 10 people are like running race. Only one person will get the trophy. So like that, 20 people are running for Aham Brahmasmi. Only one person will get Brahma. Then other people. So this is that person who thinks Brahma is also Parichinna only. This is erroneous thinking. First, that's why I should clearly understand what is Brahma before claiming Aham Brahmasmi. See, in Bhranti Kala, Aham Asmi. It is like that. I am this I am. Means Aham Ahankara Asmi. That Ahankara has to be replaced by Brahma. Ahankara is Parichinna. That has to be replaced by Anavachinnam Brahma. Smarataha, the one who is remembering this. Tadatmaka, remembering means not out of effort also. It will be natural. Once I have understood, it will be natural. Tadatmakasya deshadi sapeksham karma niravakasham vidyaha. Then tadatmakasya, the one who has become one with that, deshadi sapeksham karma has no role. It is niravakasham. नहीं देश कालादि अनवच्छिन्न अस्थूल अद्वयादि ब्रह्म प्रत्यय धारिणः कर्मावसरो अस्ति। दिग्देश कालाद्यनपेक्ष सर्वगम, देन सर्वविद सर्वगतो मृतो भवेत्। आत्मबोध लास्ट श्लोक। अस्थूल अद्वयादि ब्रह्म प्रत्यय धारिणः, फर्स्ट नंबर टिप्पणी। उत्पन्न ब्रह्म प्रत्ययस्यापि बहुव्रीहि समास। उत्पन्नः ब्रह्म प्रत्ययो यस्य तस्यापि तन्नाशादूर्ध्वं कर्म भविष्यति। तन्नाशादूर्ध्वं, so ब्रह्माकार वृत्ति came, then ब्रह्माकार वृत्ति will be nitya or anitya? Online students,
Nitya.
ब्रह्माकार वृत्ति will be
Nitya.
Anitya. Anitya.
Anitya.
anitya only.
Anitya only. Swamiji, it's
How
Nitya.
ब्रह्माकार वृत्ति is nitya, then what is the problem?
Vedas will become a pramanika.
Brahma is also there, brahmakar vritti also will be there, then dvaitam will be there.
Dvaitapati.
No, Brahma.
Yes, brahmakar vritti will not be nitya. This is why these things have to be understood properly. तथा च उक्तम, just let's finish this. न चोच्छिन्नात्म मोहस्य सदैवात्मधिय स्थिते प्रतीच्यवसोरोस्तिह वाङ्मनः काय कर्मणाम् इति. How will you do Anvaya? Tomorrow you tell me. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।